Hello, hi, and today I have come up with mixed fruit ambat or Ambbo Ponosu Envas ghanu ambat. This is a sweet dish, and even though if it is a sweet dish, we do the seasoning for this dish. This is usually prepared in the season when three fruits, that is mango, jackfruit, and pineapple, are available. And mixed fruit ambat is a Konkani specialty, and you will get to feel the taste of all the three fruits combined together. The main garnishing ingredient is the cashew nut, and you shouldn't miss it while you are preparing this dish. Ingredients: you need one medium-sized half ripened mango. Muvandan, I have used the Muvandan mango. You can use any variety. 7 to 8 numbers of ripened jackfruit, half cup peeled and sliced pineapple, 1/4 chana dal, that is black gram dal, 3 to 4 tablespoon grated coconut, 3 to 4 tablespoon grated jaggery, and 1 tablespoon ghee. You can use 5 to 6 numbers of cashew nuts, 1 red chilli, and a pinch of salt. Then for seasoning you need coconut oil, mustard, jeera, curry leaves, and coconut scrapings. Adding coconut scrapings to the seasoning will enhance the flavor and taste of the fruits and cut the mangoes into slices. You have to leave some peel on the mango slices, then remove the seeds from the ripe jackfruit bulb, cut the bulb into pieces, cut the pineapple also into pieces as shown in the photograph. Then what you have to do is wash the chana dal, cook it soft, and keep it aside. Then next you have to make the ground paste. For that you have to add 3 to 4 tablespoon of grated coconut and 1 red chilli. Add little water and grind it to a fine paste. The next is cook all the fruits, adding water and little salt. See that you do not overcook the fruits. Once the fruits have cooked, add chana dal to it. Mix well. Then add jaggery and let it boil. If your jaggery is with impurities, you can dissolve the jaggery in little water, boil it, then sieve it to remove the impurities. If you have brought impurity-free jaggery from the market, you can use it directly. Once it starts to boil, add the ground paste and mix well. Switch off the flame at this stage. Now coming to the seasoning. For the seasoning you need to heat coconut oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, and when they splutter add cumin seeds and curry leaves. Finally add coconut scrapings and roast till golden brown. You can after this you can add roasted cashew nuts as ghee roasted cashew nuts as garnishing. If you don't want to use ghee roasted cashew nuts, you can add the cashew nuts when you are cooking the fruits. Your ambat is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. In this channel, I will be discussing most of the recipes that are prepared by Kerala GSB Konkanis, especially from South Kerala. You can keep tuned to my channel to see for more recipes.